guys, how are you? So in today's session we are going to talk about the candlesticks diagram for stocks. So basically we are going to make the plot of the stocks which we are going to use in our session. So we are going to make a plot of the candlesticks and we also plot the normal plot of the stocks. So let's start with the today's session. And candlesticks data is very essential way to show how data in the stock market moves. So basically, this candlestick plot is very useful to show the essential way. It's show that how the data is moving in the stock market, like it's going upwards or the downwards. It shows a perfect plot for that. Some may use it to see how stock pricing is doing. Some may also add color to visualize it better. So basically some may use it to predicting about the analyzing about the stock prices, and some may also add the color to also get to know about that how the stock prices goes ups and down. Like when when the price of a stock is going upward, they may set the color as green, and when stock prices color stock prices goes down, they may set the color as the green or red. So something like that, by adding some colors they visualize these candlesticks plot in a better way. Many also use it to map out the trading patterns. So basically when the some people are in the trading, and when they do the trading, they also use this candlesticks plot. They are also very helpful because instead of showing one stock price, they have four different price points. This includes the open price, close price, high price, and low price. So basically this candlestick plot includes the all the four prices, which all the four prices data of a particular stock, which is the open price, close price, high price, and the low price. And next is like this is how our candlestick plot is look like this is the close this is the close price, open price, low price, high price, and if it is empty, then it is the open price, close price, low price, and the high price. So something like that. As you can see from this, if it is the blank, then it is close and open, and if it is filled, then first is open, then is close, low, and high. So I think here I tell you the opposite. So make sure that this one is right. The first one which I tell you is not right. So if the box is open, then the starting of box is closed, ending of box is open. If the box is filled, then the starting of box is open, ending of box is closed, and the first value is always high and the lowest value is always low. So that's how these are the some candlesticks plots. This is the candlestick cheat sheet, and you can see this cheat sheet to understand the candlestick plots. So it is very useful, so that's why I add this. And now let's move on to the next. And here the plotty is the library which we are going to use in our Python coding session, which is used to build the candlesticks plot. Built on the top of the plotty JavaScript library, plotty.js. Plotty.py enables Python users to create beautiful interactive web-based visualizations that can be displayed in Jupyter notebooks, saved to the standalone HTML files, or served as part of pure Python built web applications using Dash. So basically this plotty library, which is available in the Python, it is written on the top of the plotty JavaScript library, and it enables the Python users to create a beautiful and interactive web-based visualizations, and that can be displayed in the Jupyter notebooks or the standalone HTML files. And next is alongside graphical instruments, financial analysis mainly requires long time series and visualization of specific cuts of data, which are essentially dealt with. Plotty.py features such as range, slider, and selector. So basically this includes the graphical instruments. Financial analysis mainly requires the long time series and visualization of special cuts of data, and it includes the features such as range slider and the selector. Next is libraries which we are going to use in our coding session is like is these are the libraries: NumPy, Pandas, Matplotlib, YFinance, Plotly, and that's also make sure that you have these five libraries. NumPy, if you don't have NumPy library, then you can just type the command in your cmd or the anaconda prompt, type pip install cmd, or if you are using the anaconda, then you can just type conda numpy on the website and get the command for installing the numpy in the anaconda navigator and anaconda prompt. And if you are using any environment, then just keep activate your environment and install the libraries. And same as for the other libraries too: pip install pandas, pip install matplotlib, pip install yfinance, and pip install plotly. And for the anaconda, just type the conda space pandas or conda space matplotlib or conda space yfinance and the conda space plotly on the search engine, and you just get the command for installing these library in the anaconda. And if you are using an environment, then keep activate your environment. Next is candlestick plotting for the stocks. So now we are going to plot our candlestick, and this is something how we plot a candlestick plot for our stocks. It is gonna look like this, and in a short way, if we merge this, then we get something like this. This is our candlestick plot. And next is candlestick plotting for the stocks with moving averages. So in this candlestick plot, we also add the moving averages, and we see the plot now. And here these are the moving averages. So basically, moving averages consist of a window slide, and this blue line moving averages is consist of window line of about the 30, and this red color moving averages consist the window of range about 50. So this is the combined graph which contains the candlesticks and the moving averages of the having the window 30 range and moving averages having the range of 50. Next is that's all for our theoretical session, which where I tell you about this the what is the use of this candlestick plot and some candlestick cheat sheet and how we read this candlestick plot, and the libraries which we are going to use in our coding session, and the plotly library, and the candlesticks which we are going to plotting for the stocks, and the candlestick plotting for the stocks with moving averages.